very warm welcome to News in Flash column of 26 July 2021. It is presented to you by Law Seco. I am Ankita Padita. Now let's proceed with this session. Our first news item is about a new appointment. So, Civil Aviation Security gets new chief. His name is Nazir Kamal. He is a 1986 batch IPS officer of the Uttar Pradesh cadre, and he has been appointed as Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security in the Ministry of Civil Aviation till his superannuation, that is on July 31st, 2022. His appointment was cleared by Appointments Committee of Cabinet headed by the Prime Minister. Moving to the next news item, it is about UNESCO World Heritage Tag, which is given to another Indian temple. So, Telangana Ramappa Temple gets UNESCO World Heritage Tag. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization inscribed the 13th century Ramappa in Palampet, Telangana, a World Heritage Site. The Ramalingeswar temple, also known as Ramappa temple, was named after his chief sculptor Ramappa. It is one of the very few temples in the world named after its sculptor. The medieval Deccan temple is dating back to 1213 AD and was built under the patronage of Kakatiya ruler and Kakatiya Gajapati Deva under the authority of Chief Commander Rudra Samani at Renukudu at Atturuku. The temple is located at Palampet village of Venkateswar Mandal in Telangana, Mulugu or Old Warangal district. Moving to the next news item, it is about the PM calls for Unite India movement. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has urged Indians to participate in Amrit Mahotsav launched to mark the 75th year of independence, asking citizens to forge the unity for purpose of Bharat Jodo Andolan in the same manner as Mahatma Gandhi's Quit India or Bharat Chodo Andolan. Just like Mahatma Gandhi led the Bharat Chodo Andolan, Quit India movement, every Indian must lead the Bharat Jodo Andolan or Unite India movement, and it is our responsibility that we do our work in such a manner that it helps in uniting our country, which is full of diversities. Mr. Modi said, adding, we have to move forward with nations first, always first. Moving to the next news item, today, that is July 26, marks a remarkable day, that is Kargil Vijay Divas. President Ramnath Kovind will mark the 22nd Kargil Divas on Monday by visiting Dras in Ladakh and paying homage at Kargil War Memorial to the fallen heroes in 1999 conflict. India celebrates Kargil Vijay Divas on July 26th every year to mark the anniversary of the Indian Army victory against the Pakistan on this day in 1999 after more than 60 days of armed conflict on the highlands of Kargil in Ladakh. Since then, the day is celebrated to rekindle the pride and valor of our soldiers who took part in the Operation Vijay, the military campaign with which Indian troops recaptured the mountain heights occupied by Pakistani armies. Moving to the next news item, it is about a new development in the iSTEM National Web Portal for sharing research and development facilities. iSTEM enters phase 2. The Indian Science, Technology and Engineering Facilities MAP iSTEM, the national web portal for sharing research and development facilities, was formally launched in January 2020 by Prime Minister. iSTEM is an initiative of Office of Principal Scientific Advisor to Government of India. The goal of iSTEM is to strengthen the research and development ecosystem of the country by connecting researchers with resources, in part by promoting technologies and scientific equipments developing indigenously and providing necessary supplies and support to researchers by enabling them to access the existing publicly funded R&D facilities in the country through iSTEM web. So this was all for today. Thank you.